Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to look into some of the problems and that we face in our daily lives regarding measurements, and we are going to read those word problems and solve them together. This is the exercise that you have in your book as well, right? So the shopkeeper sold 3 kgs and 200 grams of flour and 4 kgs and 150 grams of sugar. ठीक है? What is the total mass of both flour and the sugar? ठीक है? Total mass का मतलब क्या है कि आपने इन दोनों को ऐड करना है, right? So we'll write over here 3 kg 200 gram 4 kg and 150 gram. So let's add the grams first. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 350 gram. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So it's 7 kg. Alright. So the answer is that the total mass of both flour and sugar is 7 kg and 350 gram. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ लिखते हैं total mass of sugar and flour is equals to 7 kg and 350 gram. Remember, I told you whenever you have a word problem, you have to give the statement in the end in order to write the answer. Alright. Next we have 1 meter. Okay, let's read the statement first. Asim is 1 meter and 25 centimeter tall. His teacher is 2 meter and 45 centimeters long. What is the difference between their heights? यानी इन दोनों की heights में क्या difference है? So let's write the statements over here. But before we write this, remember हमने difference find करना है. Difference means subtraction. So we are going to write the bigger number first. That is 2 meter 45 centimeter. And then we're going to write 1 meter and 25 centimeter. It's a question that is difference, so we're gonna minus, that is subtract. ठीक है, तो 5 minus 5 is 0 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 20 centimeter and 2 minus 1 is 1 meter. Alright, so we're gonna write that the difference between their heights. इधर लिखते हैं हम the difference between heights are 1 meter and 20 centimeter. ठीक है? So let's move on to the next slide and practice some more questions. Asad bought 2 liter and 500 milliliter of milk. He drank 1 liter and 250 milliliters of it. How much milk is left? यानी कितना रह गया है? That means it's subtraction. So we're gonna write it as 2 liter 500 milliliter. That is the bigger number first. And then we're gonna write 1 liter 250 milliliter. Alright. So let's subtract both of these. 0 minus 0 is 0. अब 0 में से 5 माइनस नहीं हो सकता, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to take carry from the next number. That is 5 में से हम 1 carry लेंगे, next number को दे देंगे, और जब ये होगा तो it will become 10. ठीक है? 1 and 0 become 10, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So we write over here 5, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have 250 milliliter over here, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 1 liter 250 milliliter. So how much milk is left? Let's write over here. there is 1 liter 250 milliliter milk left. ठीक है. Next question, let's read it together. This is related to the time, and we have practiced the time questions as well. Mariam spent 1 hour and 20 minutes on English homework, 2 hours and 30 minutes on her mathematics homework. How much did she spend total? यानी दोनों को मिला के कितना टाइम उसने स्पेंड किया, तो that means it's a question of addition. So let's write the question over here. जिसमें से 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then we have 2 hours and 30 minutes. ठीक है? Let's add both of these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 50 minutes. And 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 3 hours and 50 minutes. So how much she spent? She spent 3 hours and 50 minutes in total. ठीक है? For her homework. All right. So these are some of the questions that we have done. There were word problems, and वो हमने measurement के topic से related किए हैं. I will be giving you more of the content that you are going to practice on your own in the quizzes and in the practice material you will find on the website. See you guys in the next videos.